Hi everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Here is a red color based MDF board on which I am going to keep dots with bamboo green. Let's get started. I'll start with dotting in the center. I'm going to draw a simple design in this circle. A small eye shape is what I'm drawing. Now I'm going to fill this eye shape with bamboo green. Now I'm going to fill the paint in that shape. I'll keep some small dots now. I'll walk the dots now. Keep some dots now. I'll keep tiny dots now. I'll keep some dots now. I'll keep some more dots now. I'll keep two side swipes now. I'll walk the dots now. I'll keep some plumpy dots now. I'll drag these dots into swipes now. I'll keep side swipes now. I'll keep some dots now. I'll keep some more dots now. I'll walk the dots one-sided now. I'm sure this red and bamboo green combo also came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.